Okay, let's start with question one. So here we've got to write 500 as the product means to multiply, of prime factors and its powers, which means I need it to be in index form, my final answer. Right, so let's get the prime factors. I like drawing a tree. Think of two numbers that multiply to get me 500. So that's going to get me 50 and 10. Is 50 prime? No. So I'm going to keep splitting that up into some products. How am I going to get to 50? Well, I can get that doing 5 times 10. 5 is prime, so I'm going to circle it. 10 isn't, so I'm going to break that down a bit more. How can I get 10 from multiplying? It's 2 and 5. So again, circle those because they are prime. Going back to my tree, I haven't dealt with this 10 yet, so again, split that up. That's 2 times 5. Both of them are prime, so I'm going to circle them. Right, now I'm going to write it a bit neater. Let's see, I've got 500 equals 5 times 2 times another 5 times another 2 times a final 5. Just make sure you've mopped up all the numbers from your factor tree. Okay, now I need a product of powers, which means I can't leave it like this. I'm going to get my full marks. So let's collate everything together. How many? Let's start with the 5. 5, I've got 5 times 5, and I've got another 5, so I've got 3 of them. That gives me 5 cubed. Times by 2, how many do I have? I've got 2 times 2, so 2 of them, that's 2 squared. So here my answer is 5 cubed times 2 squared, or we could have written it as 2 squared times 5 cubed. It doesn't matter which order you were to write that down.